Who is that one relative that no one in the family talks to, and why? My uncle moved to Australia in the 1970s. It is uncertain whether he is still alive or aware that only he and my 96-year-old aunt remain out of the original 7 siblings. There is a lack of information about him, and there was no major falling out, but it seems that everyone preferred him being in Australia. The only things I know about him are that he didn't let my dad touch his Superman comics in the 1960s and that he could be a bit of another one. It was me, and it was because of my drinking. Coming up on 5 years sober, and it took 3 years of sobriety just to get invited to Christmas. So next Christmas will only be like the second I've gotten the invite to in 15 years or so. I took my sister aside last weekend to give her an apology for all that time, and sorry that I was never an uncle to her kids. They're all grown now, so I can't change that. But I am sorry the bottle was more important than everything and everyone during that time. A lot of what and who I lost, I'll never be able to get back in my life.